Finally, we got a $384 in our favor with a total QT real standing at $472. Yo guys, how are you doing? How is everybody doing in the binary and forex option scene here, guys? You're by Rocky from the Guru Trader, welcoming you back to a new trading session, a new trading episode, a practice session, guys. Today, our challenge is gonna be to scale up with the minimum amount to, let's say, watch until the end of the video to see how much I scale up with the help of my indicator settings and the price action strategy that I'm utilizing for this particular trading session. So guys, let's not do any further with the waiting and the intro. Let's get started with the trade itself. So guys, we are observing a rebound, so I'm going to go for our short option here. With a sell option here, we're seeing a rebound happening. Look at this nice shadow forming in our previous candle. Go for a sell option immediately with 150 bucks, and yeah, we are now in the trade. There you go, guys. Come on, can you get the action? Unfortunately, we just had our first loss with 150 bucks. I just lost 150 bucks, guys. Financial advice, guys. And 151.08. I'm going to take the target for upside move here. I mean, this happens, guys. Nothing terrible has happened so far. Thank God I got this back, guys. 288. We're still in a little bit lost, but it's okay. We're still back. I know how it feels, guys. I'm always relying on my VIP signals, all the signals that I'm giving out in my VIP group, and that's exactly the parameters I'm showing and using to trade in the market all the time. Let's put a parallel channel and be more clear about this one, guys. NZDJPY. We have to go for clarity, guys, because short sentiments are down, so option is gonna go for down because that's exactly what you're seeing. 200 bucks and go for a sell option here. I mean, NZDJPY, look at the parallel channel here, guys. We got rejection from the Keltner channel as well as the moving averages. Finally, we got a $384 in our favor with a total QT real standing at $472. Very good. We are back in profit, guys. So act accordingly with 300 bucks in favor, with the ADX also showing we are in an oversold position. With Euro TRY, we bounced just below the 37.829 level, and we are starting a fall, guys. The fall has started to happen, and we are breaking through the midline towards the downwards midline of the Keltner channel, and we're going downwards. We are also waiting for the approach in the midline of this channel, guys. And that's exactly what I'm thinking, to take the profits, and that's exactly what I'm thinking the market can move. Let's see how it goes, guys. Yes, we are back in the zone. Come on, let's make it, guys. Get out of the market. Phenomenal trade here, guys. $576, $748 is our Q2 real total. I mean, guys, if you have no experience, guys, do not worry. I've seen people who have zero experience have scaled up and defeated the experienced traders. So don't worry, guys. Okay, AED-CNY, new trade here. We are breaking through the midline downwards, guys. You can see here this candle, as well as the ADX indicator is below the 17 mark. So gonna go for with 500 bucks and go for downwards because the convergence has happened in the ADX line, and the ADX indicator is showing us for a downwards convergence. Also, we are actually waiting for this candle to break below the Keltner channel midpoint. We already closed below and trying to get out here with 1 second remaining. Phenomenal trade once again, guys. $768 in our favor. How about that? Do you like it? There you go, buddy. ADX is also showing a very strong movement. Go for a sell option with 400 bucks. I mean, you rarely see this kind of trades here, guys. You rarely can see a perfect trade setup. There we go, guys. 768 bucks in our favor. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for waiting and watching and sticking with me until the end. We just got to our level. $1,484 is our total Q2 real. Target achieved, challenge achieved, guys. This is your boy Rocky, keeping the promises to you. Whenever we come to the practice sessions, try to show you the proper indicators and settings along the price actions. So thank you for watching until the end and staying with me until the end, guys. I will see you in the next video. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write anything in the comment if you have any questions. If you have any inquiries, I will be available in my VIP Telegram channel. See you there. Until next time, you're by Rocky signing out. Bye bye.